We'll guide you through how to fix your number pad not working. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. The first thing we need to do is go and open up our settings. So come to the bottom of your computer and click on the Windows Start button, and then go and click on Settings. If you can't see it, just go and search for it, but it should be up here. And then all you need to do is head over to the left, and you need to scroll down until you see Accessibility. Scroll down Accessibility until you can go and see your mouse option in Interaction, so click on it. And what you want to do is try turning off mouse keys, because if this is enabled, then your number pad is going to be used as your mouse pointer. So try disabling it and then seeing if your number pad will now go and work. If that still hasn't worked, the next thing we can do is come onto the keyboard itself. And this may seem very obvious, but just make sure your numpad is enabled. Usually there's going to be a light at the top of your keyboard, and as you can see, mine's blue, which means it's enabled. But if yours was already enabled, then what you want to do is go and turn your numpad off, like so, and then you want to hold down on the numpad button for around 5 seconds. So 2, 3, 4, 5, and you should then hear a beep sound on your computer, and it will go and say, do you want to turn on toggle keys? Just quit off that like so. Now enable your numpad again and then go and see if your numpad is now working. Mine now is. So if you found this guide useful, then please leave a like.